kindergarten friends. I wanted to go over all your activities that you need to work on today so that you can just know exactly what needs to be done for today. All right, for activities on Seesaw, we're going to pop over to there. The first thing you're going to need to do is do the gray, so draw something gray. I did post the gray song so you can listen to it again, and so I want you to write the word in your best handwriting and then draw me something that's gray. The next one is our election day. So as for Prairie Elementary, we decided to have election day, so you're going to choose if we should have a pajama day or if we should have a hat day. So you are going to go through the activity, and then at the end you're going to get to vote. And then when we get back to school, we'll tally up the votes, and then we will know if we get to have a jammy day or a hat day at our school. And then last but certainly not least is we're working on the letter I. And so you're going to be doing the capital I and go through, there's 5 different pages on there, so make sure you go through all of them and make sure again that you submit everything by pushing the green check mark so that I get to see all your great work. All right, so let's take another peek at what I'd like you to do for your iPad. I would like you to go on to Imagine Learning, so that's this app, the one that's right there, and it should take you about 15 minutes. And then last but certainly not least, I have 2 videos that I put on for today. Our math video, which we're talking about equal parts. And so when you're doing your math video, your paper is in this packet. This is in your green folder. And remember, I'm going to drop off green folders today to the kids that have them still here at school. And then there's a little video on the letter I and how to make it and the sounds that it makes, and a couple examples of things that begin with that letter I. All right, boys and girls, have a fabulous day. And remember, if you need anything, make sure you call me, email me, or send a message on Seesaw. All right, have a great day.